Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to a new video. Yes, week 6. I think it's week 6. Is it week 6? It may be week 6. I think it's week 6. But anyway, this was a pretty dope week from Human Made. They finally getting it. Thank you, Nigo, for dropping some more heat. Thank you, because I got a lot of shit. I spent a lot of money on this drop. I'm gonna show y'all what I got, but I'm gonna tell you the story. When I get everything in, I'm gonna tell y'all how I took an L. I'm not gonna tell y'all in this video, but I'm gonna tell you in the video that when I get all this stuff in, I'm gonna tell you the L that I took within this drop. But anyway, if y'all can hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, I would greatly appreciate that, because I rode to 1,000, almost at 500, and I'd be halfway there to 1,000. So if you're new and you like the content, please smash that subscribe button, hit that like button. If y'all can do that, I would greatly appreciate it. Just tap the like button, just tap it, just tap the damn like button, y'all. I would greatly appreciate it. But anyway, follow me on IG, link down below. If you want to chop it up with me, chop it up with me. I've been out here blessing people without even really noticing it. I've been having people hit me up. I'm gonna put a screenshot up on the screen. One of my subscribers, no, not even subscribers, one of the homies hit me up, told me like, bro, your video helped my homie out, because he was on the fence of buying Human Made tees, and after he seen my video that I had when I did the size comparison of the what it was, medium, no, it was the large, extra large, and 2XL. So that video actually been helping people, and the numbers are insane on that video for the views. So I think that's pretty dope. I'm glad I'm out here helping people, because I felt like it was a needed video. I got more videos like that coming, so just stay tuned and just bear with me. I got some really like informative videos coming about like how to take care of your stuff in Human Made, how to wash it, how to, you know, things like that. So stay tuned for that video. That's gonna be coming. Oh, it's gonna be a minute till I get it, but well, it's gonna be a minute till that video comes, because me and my homies in the process of getting a washer and dryer for our house. So when that video comes, I'll let y'all know. But anyway, I've been doing way too much ranting. Let's get to the damn week, what, 6? I think it's 6. Yeah, I think it's 6. Yeah, it is 6. So let's get into week 6. Spring, summer 2021. Let's get right into it. Alright, y'all. So we're gonna get right into week 6, spring, summer 2021 of Human Made. Also, I am working on the by design video, and oh my god, wait till Sunday get here. Wait till Sunday. Yeah, when I drop this one video, y'all gonna want more of these videos. I'm telling you, straight heat. And hopefully something come out of this. It would be dope if something come out of this. And I mean, just wishful thinking. But anyway, just stay tuned for next Sunday. Oh my god, this will be such a good. The other thing was one of my favorite videos that I made around Human Made. But anyway, let's get into this drop that just happened. What today is? Saturday? So Friday. So they get to Friday drop of Human Made. Biggie. Alright, so we're gonna get into the tea. Of course, they drop a tea every week damn near. So they got this lavender heart tea. I didn't get this one. I ain't bought teas in a while, y'all. It's been a while since I had a tea for Human Made. So, alright, so we're gonna go to the hoodies. As y'all know that they got a text. Never mind. Yeah, as y'all know, last week, week 5, they dropped the like a heavy jacket of this print. So then this week they dropped the hoodie of the same print. I was literally debating on getting this. Like, I literally was debating on getting it, and I was gonna get the I'm gonna get the all brown colorway, like the analogous colors of this. I wasn't really feeling this colorway too much. It was just too much for me. That's just too popping. I don't know the word I'm looking for, but yeah, I was literally thinking about getting this colorway, but it's still sitting. So if it's still sitting, next week I may get it. Yeah, it was a dope dope drop. I keep saying cop, but yeah, I really like this hoodie. But it's a zip up. I ain't wear a zip up hoodie since high school. I ain't gonna say how long that was ago, but yeah, that was a long time ago. Shit, I got the hiccups. Excuse me. Okay, so they dropped some more hoodies. They dropped the pink version with the duck on the left breast. They said Human Made draws on the back, and I just thought it was so fucking fire, so fire. and they didn't even put the drawstrings on. They just put buttons like right here. So I thought it was really dope how they did this hoodie. And they had that in pink, and they had it in navy blue. What is up with Nigo and navy blue? So, no, I'm gonna hold off. I'm gonna tell the story when I get all this stuff in. So I'm not gonna tell y'all the story on what happened with me and this hoodie. But y'all will find out when I get it. But anyway, I got this hoodie. I thought it was so fire, bro. So simple, dope. Just I don't know what to say, but it was a dope hoodie. I had to get it, so I copped this one, the navy blue version. So this was like the second hoodie that they dropped. And oh, the sweater. I don't know why. I should have went for this, but I didn't. I thought this sweater was so fucking cool. I thought it was really cool. But yeah, it's just a sweater that they dropped. They dropped like it's like a cream with gray stripes, and they got well, that don't look blue. Is that blue? Or is it black? I guess like a dark, yeah, it's a dark ass navy blue. Damn. I should have went for this. I should have went for this instead of the damn hoodie. Cause it's just clean, man. I could already think of like an outfit I can put together with this. Yeah, this was clean. That shit sold out so fast. Look at that. Gone. Medium gone. Large gone. Extra large gone. Resale gonna be stupid. Alright. So that was the outerwear that they dropped. The two hoodies with the two different colorways. And the sweater with two different colorways. So now, what else? I think that was it for the clothes. Let me make sure. And they dropped this? Why are they? I didn't see. It don't matter. I wasn't gonna buy the glizzy, so I ain't walking around with a glizzy on my back. Why can't you just put? Nigo, listen. Put the tiger head, duck head, or the polar bear head on these, not the glizzy. We're good. Don't even put. I don't even want to see the I don't even want to see the hamburger on it or cheeseburger. I don't even want to see it. So let's get a closer view of this. Okay, got a stitch top. We do the embroidery with the glizzy, but on that bomber jacket from week 2 or I think it was week 2. One of them it was between week 1 or 2. Well, week 1 or week 3. One of those weeks, they had like the olive bomber jacket with the duck printed and not embroidered. Come on, Nigo. You can't pick and choose what you want to put embroidery on, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm good on the glizzy, dog. I'm good on the glizzy. Y'all good on the glizzy? Cause I'm man. That wasn't hitting. That was not hitting. Then this shit still up. Yeah, that shit sold out. Alright, so I think that was it for the clothing. Let me make sure. Yeah, that was it for the clothing. So the goods. We'll go to the goods. So they dropped some more coasters. I didn't get the hamburger coaster. Like, it didn't pop up when everything else did, so I didn't get it, and I don't think I am going to get it. But I get a closer look of the cheeseburger. So like a nice little like vector, simplistic design of a hamburger. Just simple. Can't fuck it up. It's really hard to fuck something like this, but fuck up something like this. But it's just a coaster. Hamburgers, cool, pretty cheap, not too much. What else? The socks are still up. The belt sold out. So we're gonna get into the other coasters. I copped this coaster, sold out. Thank God I copped it because I knew this was gonna sell out. Like, you can't, like, these ducks, bro. These ducks, just something special. But yeah, copped this one. I only got one. I should have got multiple, but it's cool. I will be using it, so I ain't worried about that. I'm gonna use these. All right, so we got another duck coaster, like one of the original duck designs that Like these are like one of the first designs I ever seen a human made down there. But I really like this coaster, and I had to get it, so I copped this one too. And yeah, and I sold my other ones. I sold my polar bear and the tiger coaster to my home. Damn, I think I sold it to my boy. Was it Scuba Steve? I think it was him. I sold it to somebody for the low. But yeah, I got some stuff I'm trying to sell. If y'all still want that, the futures in the, if anybody want their futures in the past hat, let me know. I'll sell it to you for the low. And I got another item. What is it? I think it's the cup. I think I got another cup. Yeah, I think I got the cup. If y'all want that too, from the Human Made and Girls on Cry collab that happened a few weeks ago. If y'all want it, hit me up. I'll sell it to you. Both. You gotta take both. Just give me your best price. But yeah, this is the item that I copped. Simple, dope, I like it. And another item that I copped was a mug. I missed out on the other one, but I got this one. I will be using it because I'm thinking about get me a coffee machine or I'm thinking about getting a coffee machine and, you know, just sip out of my shit and I just have everything just sitting around as a display. So I'm gonna use my shit. So if I'm spending money, I'm gonna use it depending on what it is. I think there might be it. Yep, that is it, y'all. So that was week 6 on Human Made Spring Summer 2021. Let me know what y'all got down below. Let me know what y'all feeling, not feeling. Also, again, just wait. I want to show y'all. Ooh, you know what? Nah, cause if I do this, y'all gonna stop y'all gonna freeze, y'all gonna like pause the video and take a look at the designs that I've been working on. Cause I'm gonna like whip like towards the screen so y'all can get like a little sneak peek. But I'm not gonna do that, so I'm gonna make y'all wait. Trust me, it's gonna be worth the wait. But anyway, I'll catch y'all next video. Like, comment, subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate if you made it this far through the video. Thank you, because I need to get my watch hours up. I got like probably 1.2K. Well, yeah, 1.2K on watch hours. I gotta get to 4,000, and I gotta get to 1,000 subs. So anyway, I'll catch y'all next one. Peace.